So at My Electric Home, we're really excited that we're partnering with Vaughn's, a builder in the Louisville area. The exciting thing that's happening today is that we're installing literally the second SPAN MLO 48 panel, which is a new smart panel. It's their third generation. And because we're partnering with the builder, these panels specifically are just now being released for new home builds.
We're a small enough builder where we want to try to set ourselves apart and do the right thing. We always had to do solar, but this just incentivized us to go ahead and do a little bit more for the home itself.
So we're seeing a lot of houses need 320 or 400 amp services with the load calcs. Well, in comes SPAN with our energy management system called Power Up, and we help keep these builders' costs down by building the houses at 200 amps while also giving the homeowners an amazing benefit to see how much energy is being consumed at every circuit and making a more resilient home with their battery backup systems. We're really excited that Jason and his crew get to put one of the second panel in the nation into a new home and see how this new technology and the next generation product is working.
You know, seeing on the news and seeing the Marshall fires, it was devastating. It was a horrific event that happened about 3.5 years ago, and it's just really cool that these builders are building these new modern homes with this new technology like the SPAN panels and creating microgrids with battery backup. These are more efficient homes. They have the ability to manage the process of their battery backup. And it's just really neat to see that there's this new technology that's going into these homes that's gonna really give the power back to the homeowners to manage their house at the circuit level.